Hello and good evening. You are watching MBTV. I am Mohammad Shamshad. Today's headlines are: Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached Devangir to attend a political rally. Farmer issue will be a top focus. Rahul again targeted Narendra Modi, said his party is rich supportive. SUV driven by BJP leader ran over 9 children in Bihar. Opposition said Jungle Raj is back. Shri Devi's dead body reached home from Dubai. Funeral is today. Australia's former skipper Steve Waugh said Virat Kohli was bit over the top in South Africa series. Now news in detail. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend a rally to address farmers' issues. This rally is organized by Karnataka's BJP's workers to remark 75th birthday of state president and their chief ministerial candidate B.S. Yedurappa.
कर्नाटक के गांवों का भाग्य बदलेगा, किसान का भाग्य बदलेगा और इसलिए भाइयों बहनों
PM Modi tweeted to announce his visit to Devangiri. The PM wrote that the state's farmers are being burdened by the anti-farmer policies of the Congress government ruling in Karnataka since 2013. He will be addressing the hard-working farmers of Karnataka at a rally in Devangiri later today. The state's farmers are disappointed with the anti-farmer policies of the Congress government ruling in Karnataka since 2013. We will transform the lives of farmers. He talked about farmers' issues and also accused Congress is anti-farmers.
I am here at the BJP office. As we all know that the farmers issue is one of the main issues that still not solved by any government. Will the farmers issue might be beneficial for the BJP in the upcoming Karnataka election? That's what we will see. I am Arvind Sharma for MBTV.
On Monday, Congress President Rahul Gandhi again accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi for favoring super rich and questioned why he had still not appointed Lokpal to fight against the corruption. He also raised questions for his silence against Nirav Modi issue.
Rahul Gandhi accused BJP for dividing people despite its talk of dharma. The Congress leader also accused PM of favoring big businesses by waiving their loans while ignoring farmers. Repeatedly invoking social reformers Narayana Guru and Basavana, Mr. Gandhi said,
चाहे वो नीरव मोदी हो, माल्या हो, ललित मोदी हो, इन सब ने आपका पैसा चोरी किया है और ये सब के सब एक के बाद एक हिंदुस्तान से भागे और नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने तो भागने दिया.
Rahul Gandhi, who has been visiting religious places during his election tours recently, will pay obeisance at Gokarnatheshwara Temple, Rosario Church, Ulal Dargah, Sringeri Shradamba Temple and also Sringeri Mutt. He will also meet the Shankaracharya of the Sringeri Mutt. The assembly elections in the state are likely in April or May.
I am standing here in front of the Congress office, 24 Akbar Road, New Delhi. The Congress president always targets Narendra Modi on several issues. If he focuses more on his party issues, then he might get perfection in the upcoming elections of our country, specifically the Karnataka elections. I am the correspondent of MBTV, Arvind Sharma.
BJP leader Manoj Baitha involved in a hit and run case. He was driving the SUV which ran over 9 school children who were crossing the road when the accident took place. FIR has been registered against BJP leader Manoj Baitha.
The mishap took place when 9 children were crossing the road and were returning to their homes at Dharampur village after school. After the incident, the eyewitnesses started pelting the SUV, which got off the road and rammed in a tree. To save himself from locals, the driver abandoned the vehicle and fled from the spot. The injured kids were rushed to Shri Krishna Memorial College and Hospital in Muzaffarpur.
कोई भी व्यक्ति अगर कोई गाड़ी दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो गई, और चाहे बीजेपी का व्यक्ति हो या आरजेडी का व्यक्ति हो, बचाने का प्रश्न कहाँ पैदा होता है. मैंने तो कल ही एसपी मुझे को फोन करके कहा कि कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.
9 children killed in a deadly accident by SUV driver Baitha. He also broke the wall of the school. All political parties, including BJP, condemn this incident in very harsh words. Now, whether Baitha is drunk or not, but he must be drunk on his ride. Now, investigation will tell. I, Karan Arora, for MBT.
Veteran actress Shri Devi's dead body arrived in India from Dubai. After the comprehensive investigation, Dubai Public Prosecution approved release of the body to her family. Her funeral will take place at cremation ground at Ville Parle.
3 days after she died in Dubai, veteran actor Shri Devi's body has been brought to her home in Mumbai. She was flown in a private jet from Dubai on Tuesday evening. accompanied by family members, including her filmmaker husband Boni Kapoor and stepson Arjun Kapoor. Hundreds of fans waited outside her residence in Lokhandwala as the ambulance carrying her body drove in from the airport. Sridevi, who was in Dubai to attend a family wedding, died in a hotel room on Saturday. She was 54. A forensic report said she accidentally drowned in bathtub after losing consciousness. Sridevi's body was handed over to her family on Tuesday evening after government officials in Dubai said they had closed the probe into her death. Last rites will be held in Mumbai today.
Sridevi fans were crying when funeral was taking place. We have lost a legend. Sridevi may have said goodbye to us, but she will remain alive in our hearts. I am Aman for MBTV.
Former Australian captain Steve Waugh complimented Indian skipper Virat Kohli. He praised his performance and also advised many improvements in his captaincy. He also complimented Rahane and Jasprit Bumrah for their spectacular performances.
India enjoyed decent success in the 58-day tour, during which the side lost the Test series by 1-2 but clinched the ODI and 2020 series 5-1 and 2-1 respectively. Kohli's stellar performance with the bat was amongst the biggest positives to be drawn from the grueling Sozan. India will play a 5-test series in England in August and September, and also a tour of Australia for 4 tests in the summer of 2018 and 19. But Steve Waugh feels that it would be easier and said Kohli would be key to India's success in Australia.
Virat Kohli's performance is at its peak right now. After winning the ODI series against South Africa, he has proven his captaincy. Let's hope that in the upcoming series, his good performances will continue. I am Aman for MBTV.
That's all for today. I am Mohammad Shamshad signing off. Keep watching MBTV News.